Hi everyone! Welcome to Stories Without Translation, a podcast where we share inspiring stories from around the world.
We explore how people live, think, and create across different cultures, especially from the West, to help you see the world from new perspectives.
And as English learners ourselves, we make this space for you to practice listening, learn new expressions, and get inspired at the same time.
Because sometimes the most meaningful stories don't need translation, they just need to be heard.
Before he became a global icon, Walt Disney was just a young man with big ideas and almost no money. He was fired from his first job at a newspaper because his editor said he lacked imagination. Imagine telling that to the man who later created Mickey Mouse. After that, Walt started several animation companies, and most of them failed. He was broke, rejected, and even betrayed by his business partners. But he didn't give up. He once said, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them." That's the right spirit that shaped Disney. In English, there's a saying, when one door closes, another opens. It means failure is not the end. It's just a step to something new. Walt Disney's life is a perfect example of that idiom. He turned his failures into lessons, his drawings into characters, and his imagination into a company that changed entertainment forever. You see, Walt didn't just create cartoons, he created hope, repeating stories, music, and color. This episode of Stories Without Translation is brought to you by Toko Prabotan Kartin, your friendly neighborhood store for everyday home essentials. If you're looking for practical items like laundry baskets or sturdy clothes hangers, Kartinda has you covered. You can find them on Jalan Karangtineng dalam nomor 95B, Bandung. It's nearby Hotel Karangsetra. And here's the best part. They also offer delivery services, so your items can come straight to your door. Simple and convenient. So, whether you're a busy student or just move into your dorm, Toko Prabotan Kartinda is here to make your life easier. We will provide you the contact number on the description box. Now, let's get back to the story. Now, let's look at the cross-cultural angle. In American culture, people often admire individuals who follow their own dreams, even when everyone else doubts them. That's why stories like Walt Disney's feel so powerful. They celebrate individual creativity and innovation. In contrast, here in Indonesia, we often value togetherness, or what we call gotong royong. We like to work in the groups, help each other, and make sure no one is left behind. Both values are beautiful, they just shine in different ways. Walt's story reminds us that personal vision can inspire collective hope. It doesn't have to be individual versus group. In fact, when we combine creativity with collaboration, we can build something even greater. Something that lasts, just like Disney's legacy. So, if you ever feel like your dream is too big, or people don't believe in it, remember Walt. He started with drawings of a mouse and ended up creating a world of imagination. As English learners, you can use his story too. Be patient with your process, don't be afraid of mistakes, and keep going. Because, like another idiom says, Rome wasn't built in a day. Learning, dreaming, and succeeding all take time. So, that's our first story, from Walt to the world. A story about failure, creativity, and the courage to keep dreaming. Remember today's keywords: perseverance, creativity, and dream. And today's idioms: when one door closes, another opens. And Rome wasn't built in a day. Next time, we'll explore another story from a different culture that will challenge how you see success and happiness. Until then, keep learning, keep dreaming. Because sometimes the most powerful stories don't need translation, they just need to be heard. Thanks for listening to Stories Without Translation.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to follow and share it with your friends who love learning English and exploring new cultures.
See you in the next story, and remember, the world is full of stories waiting to be heard.